Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create Jane from Tarzan in Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the video. Let me just remember what I wore. Okay, hopefully I remember. I'm just going to remove everything except for the one I use accessory adjustments on as usual. So for the bangs, I use this in this color for all of the hair. Adjustments I did x.54, y.54, z.43, and scaled it to 0.35. Then I did this in the bangs only toggle as well in brown, and this too in brown. For the tie, I use this color A887BD in these adjustments. So position it at y.56, z.5, rotate it at x.55, and scaled it all the way to 0.35. Hopefully I remember what I wore, but let's get started with the video. Well, the outfit tutorial. Select this in just collar and sleeves, and we're going to color the first one this color, F7AC41. Then this color, F7AC41 again, and then this one you're going to color it a light yellow, F7D496. And that again, and the same color again. Then for the fit, we are going to use this in that same yellow. And then we are also going to use this turtleneck. If you don't have VIP, you can, I guess, use the one outside. We're going to color it the light yellow version. Light yellow version. Then we're going to select this top here and color it that same yellow. Then we're going to grab this outfit and we're going to color it just this color, this yellow color for both the skirt and the top. Then we are going to grab the witch skirt, or you can use the one from the culture area. Color it this yellow and then a brighter yellow. For the sleeves, we're going to use this one. Wait, where is it? Hello. Oh, it's here. Sorry. We're going to use that same yellow and then this lighter yellow, and we're just going to add in some gloves here in short and in that same light yellow color. Same with the socks, that yellow color as well. And for the shoes, we're going to color it this color, 72438. And then that again for that heel. And that is how you can create Jane from Tarzan. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.